Remember that final chilling moment of episode 1128? Bonnie's rage, Saturn, terrifying form. Now we are on the precipice of understanding why. One Piece episode 1129, Kuma's Past, a world where you're better off dead, drops on May 18th, and it's time to brace ourselves from the devastating backstory that ignited Bonnie's fury. Let's break down what we anticipate from this pivotal episode. What will happen in the forthcoming episode of One Piece? Based on the title Kuma's Past, a world where you're better off dead, and the events of episode 1128. Here's what is expected to happen in One Piece episode 1129. The primary focus of the upcoming episode will be on revealing the tragic and painful past of Bartholomew Kuma. This will likely showcase the events that Bonnie witnessed within Kuma's memories, explaining her intense anger and hatred towards Saint Saturn. We'll likely see the specific events that link Kuma's suffering to Saint Saturn and the world government. This could involve Kuma's time as a slave, his transformation into a cyborg, or the other traumatic experiences inflicted upon him. The forthcoming episode will provide the context of Bonnie's enraged attack on Saturn at the end of the previous episode. We finally see the reasons for her identifying him and the extent of her empathy for the Kuma's suffering. Given the ominous title, Kuma's Past is expected to be incredibly dark and emotionally charged. Prepare for potentially disturbing and upsetting revelations about his life. The episode will likely adapt chapter 1095 of the manga and potentially move further into the subsequent chapters, heavily focusing on flashbacks and exposition or related to Kuma's history. Overall, episode 1129 of One Piece promises to be a key and emotionally intense episode, finally revealing the tragic backstory of Bartholomew Kuma that viewers have long anticipated and directly explain Bonnie's current actions and motivations on Egghead. When will it be released? So, the new episode of One Piece was originally set to be released on May 11th, but it has been postponed and will now be released on May 18th. What are your predictions for the most impactful revelations in Kuma's backstory? Share your thoughts down in the comments and make sure to like and subscribe to our channel.